Before I begin this video, I would like to state very clearly that I am not a lawyer, nor am I studying to be a lawyer or know personally any lawyers. Now, let's talk about a court case. Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. Everybody right now, as of the time that I'm speaking, everyone right now is talking about Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. It is the big ticket news item. And the question on everyone's mind isn't anymore, did Amber Heard lie? No. The question that should be on everyone's mind is what Amber Heard lied about defamation? So let's continue. First of all, I would like to state that my side is very clear. I am very much on the side of Johnny Depp and his lawyers. His lawyers has made a very compelling case, and Amber Heard's lawyer has yet to submit any comparable evidence, any sort of, essentially anything. He has yet to submit anything to disprove Johnny Depp's claims that he did not, in fact, abuse her physically, and that, in fact, Amber Heard abused Johnny Depp physically. I have watched these court case videos, all 7 hours of each one, and I have looked at the evidence, and from my opinion that I have formed, I would state that Amber Heard, in fact, did lie to Johnny Depp, or about Johnny Depp being a physical abuser in the relationship. And I am under the personal belief that Amber Heard, in fact, physically abused Johnny Depp. Now that I've made that clear, now that I've made my side clear on this case, we are going to talk about defamation. What is defamation? Defamation is a pretty simple term to understand. It is essentially the act of telling someone a lie, and that lie causes that person to suffer, and you told that lie maliciously. Johnny Depp's case is stating that when Amber Heard posted an article stating that she was a survivor of abuse, that article directly caused Johnny Depp's loss of multiple jobs as a professional actor, and also caused unimaginable emotional pain and tarnished and burned, essentially, Johnny Depp's entire career. That is the question of the court. That is the question that Amber Heard's lawyer stated in his opening statement as well. This is not a case, sorry to say, between about whether or not Amber Heard abused Johnny Depp. This is not a case proving abuse. This is not a case denying abuse. This is not a case pertaining to abuse and whether or not it was done or not done. This is a case of defamation. And in my personal belief, at least from the 2016 article, specifically the article posted in 2016 in the Washington Post, the op-ed by Miss Amber Heard, in my personal belief, that particular article was not defamation. So the real question is, who's at fault? Is it Amber? Yes. Is it Johnny Depp? Yes. Is it the system? No. Amber Heard has no one to blame but herself from what is going to come out from this case and what has come out so far. Amber Heard's decision to not only countersue Johnny Depp, but also to sue Johnny Depp in the first place, or to make those claims in the first place, and continue to make claims, and make those claims on the stand, under oath. Those claims that she has decided to make will ruin her career, and already has. Johnny Depp's lawyers, Johnny Depp's case, the proof backing Johnny Depp's case has already tarnished the career of Miss Amber Heard. That statement is irreversibly fact. Amber Heard may never act on the screen, or at least not on the big screen, again. All because Amber Heard has not only decided to tarnish Johnny Depp's entire career, but also decided to use his failures that she caused to boost her own career. And in fact, I am personally under the belief that Amber Heard not only made these claims of abuse in order to tarnish Johnny Depp's career, but that the only reason that she even agreed to be in a relationship with Mr. Depp in the first place was because of Mr. Depp's standing in the public space. That is my personal belief. I have no proof of that, but that is my personal belief. Yes, I do believe that Amber Heard. Excuse me, camera work. I don't have a cameraman. I have a cup. Anyways, continuing. It is doubtlessly my personal belief that Amber Heard not only lied about her allegations about Johnny Depp being an abusive husband, but also that Amber Heard abused him. And that she is currently, still to this very day, excuse you, I'm being very offended by my camera, lying to Johnny Depp. Are you upside down? Lying about Johnny Depp. I think you're upside down. Is this how you were? Oh, you know what? I fixed you. Continuing on to Amber Heard's words against Johnny in her testimony, in her most recent testimonies, she stated that she saw a jar. And afterward, I saw an abundance of memes about Johnny Depp's character, Jack Sparrow, in the Pirates of the Caribbean movie. There are these clips that I saw on the app TikTok of Amber Heard stating there was a jar. She said, and I can't quote exactly, something about how she believed that there was cocaine in that jar, and then essentially the clip turns from Amber Heard stating that to Johnny Depp playing the character Captain Jack Sparrow in Pirates of the Caribbean, and he's holding up a jar and he's singing, "I got a jar, I got a jar." Very humorous. Now, something I've also found humorous about this case is when Johnny Depp's bodyguard came onto the stand. And he was asked by Amber Heard's lawyer if on a particular date in a particular place, if Amber Heard, if the bodyguard had seen Johnny Depp's penis. And Johnny Depp's bodyguard promptly replied with, if I had seen, quote, if I had seen Mr. Depp's penis, I would have remembered. Humorous. Furthermore, humor is how another man was called up to the stand over video camera, over video Zoom, I assume. And over that, while on that video, that man was in a car, and he made the decision to vape, which is another form of pot smoking while in the car, talking to a judge. So I thought that was very humorous as well. There is a lot that's really funny about this case, but I think what people are forgetting is how serious it is. This case is going to ruin Amber Heard's career. But not only is it going to ruin Amber Heard's career, it's going to bring Johnny Depp's career back. And personally, I am excited for Pirates 7. Let's go. Yeah, grab your boats. Wait a minute. I have a theory about Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp, ever since this entire fiasco with Amber Heard accusing him of domestic violence and abuse, ever since it has essentially tarnished his acting career on screen, he has seemed to focus more on his personal life, music, art, his children, his family, and has essentially entered almost a state of retirement due to Amber Heard's allegations, because he wasn't really able to find any movie that would hire him anyways. He made the best of a bad situation. And I believe that when or if Amber Heard wins this case, or if Johnny Depp wins this case, I meant to say. When or if Johnny Depp wins this case, he does not plan on continuing that sort of forced retirement. I'm under the belief that when Johnny Depp wins, if he does, he will return to acting big time. That's my prediction. That's just my prediction of the case. My prediction of this case is that Amber Heard will be found in defamation, and not only will she be found in defamation, but she may also be found for quite a few other crimes, including domestic violence, lying to the courts, which I believe would be called perjury. Probably, a few other things, but I feel like perjury is definitely going to be up there. If this court doesn't sort of push her for perjury, I'm sure that Johnny Depp's lawyer might push it for perjury. The judge might even push it for perjury. Amber Heard's lawyer, if in the event that Amber Heard decided to fire her lawyer, it's possible that her lawyer could also put her up for perjury. That'd actually be very smart. Amber Heard's lawyer. If you're watching this, Amber Heard, dear Amber Heard's lawyer, if you're watching this, look, I understand. You got this job because Amber Heard's a rich, famous actress, and maybe you really believed that she was just a poor, innocent woman, domestic, who was getting sued by an evil corrupted man. But then as as Mr. Depp's evidence began to show, you began to, as you witnessed it all happening, you realized that this whole time that she lied to you. So if in the event that Johnny Depp does win this case, I suggest to you, Mrs. Heard's lawyer, I suggest to you that not only should you make a public statement that you were truthfully under the belief that Amber Heard was being honest with you. You should take the stance of almost a victim, sort of Amber Heard's, I don't want to say the word lunacy, but accusations, I guess. You could state yourself as yet another victim of her accusations, of her perjury, of her lies. Not only that, but I believe personally that Amber Heard's lawyer should try to get her put down by the judge for perjury, and possibly may even sue her or do something, rather, in order to re-establish his credibility as a lawyer. And I personally feel that countersuing Amber Heard for perjury may be the only way for that lawyer, Amber Heard's lawyer, to get essentially his reputation as a good lawyer, his entire thing back. Because right now, hon, you ain't looking so hot. And it's all Amber's fault. I know you're trying to go with the hearsay and the objections, and I understand your side when it comes to the First Amendment right. I absolutely agree with you on the fact that the 2016 article was not defamation. But I do, and I think you do, agree with me that Amber Heard lied about being abusive to Johnny Depp. And that she was not, in fact, physically abused by Mr. Depp. And now that you know that truth, well, it is up to you to prove it by stating that her perjury directly caused your downfall as a lawyer and in your career. That is yet another man's career that Amber Heard has tarnished. So please, if you have any hate in this case to direct it toward Miss Heard. She deserves it. That is my word on this case. If you like this video, please give it a little thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, then give it a thumbs down. If you want to comment, write a comment, you're free to. I'll read it. Might even like it, might even reply. If you want to subscribe to me, because there's going to be a lot more videos going like this, then go ahead. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a really nice day today. Drink more water.